Hi, I'm Simon from OnBrand Films, and I've teamed up with Red Shark News today to show you how to set the 2-axis motorised motion control kit from Syrp. First, take the linear carriage and attach it to the slider. Loop the rope around the end tabs twice. Do this for both sides. Then take the Genie and attach it to the carriage, making sure it locks in place. Attach the Genie Mini to the top of the Genie. Take the ball head and attach it to the top of the Genie Mini. Then attach your camera. Take the sync cable and link the Genie and Genie Mini. Now connect your camera to the Genie or Genie Mini using the camera link cable and you're good to go.